Bully. Bully locks. The stainless round padlock from Bully Locks is armor protected and has a hardened steel shackle. It's 2 3/4 inches in diameter and has a deep welded body to stand up against the elements. To open it, insert the key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise. Use the lock to secure a chain or cable around your motorcycle and attach it to a stationary object. Then, insert the key and turn counterclockwise, locking the padlock. To remove it, simply insert the key into the keyhole, turn it clockwise and remove it. Bully locks.